debut. Too short to my me debut. Too short you walk on my debut. Straight forward and look at the kill. Go yeah yo. Go say
Happy birthday.
you know strong make you do for day yo. Mom gonna hold me dead yo. Can't do. Maduro can't do.
I lived in Toronto for 4 years, and somehow I never did any of this. Adult friendships are basically planning movie nights 2 to 3 weeks in advance, and still almost canceling.
We're at Cineplex. Came to watch Sinners. Was it good? What's your review?
It was good. Tiny little bit of
Horror.
Yeah, horror, but it was good. I loved it.
Okay.
My sponsor, thank you.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm lying, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling.
Hi.
It's a video. She's dancing now. I started recording.
My sponsor.
From where to where? I'm not the birthday girl. I don't know what she's talking about. What's she saying? I have no idea. It's not me.
Can you imagine?
I didn't know it was just spirits.
Can you imagine? That's my fault before I forget because I have to sew that sweater. That sweater I bought it like 2 minutes. So when I'm supposed to get some bubble tea.
Have this one too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So okay, so your one was this color. Let me check if I don't see any.
So Laurent, continue. For Waike's birthday, she wanted something different, something would actually remember. So we made bags from scratch.
artist, then I come back. I need to come back. Okay, today. Okay, lovely. Alright, and you want to I got it. Yeah. So, here, stationery.
No, you can't touch that.
But she's actually pretty. Yeah, have fun.
You know,
I know, right? No food, I beg you. She's no
expectations.
It's not minus meal. Minus meal. Minus me, I beg you. Okay. Okay, can you help me? Because I just...
You can count the fat and I can count your long.
Okay.
Let me count y'all.
What happened with these two ladies? They're still on the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine took on a life of its own, somewhere between the stitching, the shaping, starting to look like a mini Dior saddle bag. I genuinely didn't expect it to turn out this good. Like, what do you mean I made this? I absolutely love it. Thank you, YK, for the experience.
happy birthday, Yinko's baby.
Birthday dinner, good food, even better company. The kind of night where nobody's rushing to leave.
Your mind's polluted, so you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Mine might be low, but maybe I don't wanna say goodbye. We should celebrate it all. So that I can
And just like that, I became a full tourist. I can't believe I never came here when I actually lived here.
She brought me out, sugar mommy or the sugar mommy. Not the sugar mommy, the sugar mommy or the sugar mommy. Wow, you are neat.
She's living her life, even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you, she lives her life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants to
4 years, this building was right there. It took me buying a ticket like a visitor to finally walk through the door.
she prays to the sky. That's all she ever wants to do. Begging on her knees to be popular.
3-course meal, 360-degree views of the city. I don't think I fully understood how big Toronto was until I saw it from up here. You're definitely paying for the views as much as the plate. and I didn't mind one bit. There's just something about eating above a city that makes everything feel slower and quieter. This is definitely going in the memory bank. And then there was the glass floor. Now, I like to think of myself as someone with nerve, but somehow that person didn't show up today. It took me almost a full minute just to look down, and the moment I did, I was immediately reminded that I enjoy being alive. We've been through it. We had a lot to eat, and then we went through the glass floor. Scary, but we survived. Timmy doesn't want to sit, but she's telling me to sit. Just imagine that. Who does that?
Because I believe in you.
Dripping everywhere, I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're. I'm all in. Feeling in the air, my cold sweat. Dripping everywhere, I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're. Playing in my bed, I'm falling. What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're burning blue, burning blue. I'm burning blue. I'm letting it burn, letting it burn. I can feel it in the air, my cool flame, dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care.
There's something strange about leaving a city you used to call home. You know it. You've walked its streets, eaten at its spots, built a life in it, and somehow it still surprises you. Maybe you don't always need somewhere new. Sometimes you just need to see somewhere familiar, but with fresh eyes.